1. Remove the damaged paper by cutting it with a razor blade. Cut off just the area that's ripped or punctured. Press down as you drag the razor blade around the damaged spot, then peel the paper off of the wall. 2. Cut a new piece of wallpaper that's larger than the damaged area. A good rule of thumb is to have a piece that extends beyond the rip or puncture by 6 inches 15 centimeters on each side. Make sure the section that you cut matches the print or pattern of the area that you're replacing. 3. Apply an even coat of wallpaper paste to the back of the new piece. Lay the wallpaper on a flat surface, then use a foam roller to cover the underside of it with a thin layer of paste. Be sure to coat the edges and corners, too. 4. Fold the piece of paper over itself and let it sit for 5 minutes. This is a process known as booking, which softens the wallpaper and prevents it from expanding once you place it on the wall. Bring one side over and lay it down gently onto the other to rest so that the pasted sides are touching. 5. Place the piece onto the wall so it blends into the original paper. To hang the new wallpaper, center the piece of paper on top of the damaged spot. Align the edges so that they fit seamlessly with the paper underneath. You don't want to be able to tell there's a new piece of paper there. 6. Run a paper smoother over the entire piece, pressing down firmly. This will get rid of any ripples or bubbles in the paper before it dries. Start in the center, then sweep the smoother out to each edge and corner until the paper lies flush against the wall. 7. Use a damp cloth to remove any excess wallpaper paste. Some of the adhesive will likely be squeezed out by the paper smoother. If it dries, it will be visible on your wall, so wipe it off with a clean cloth dipped in water. 8. Allow the wallpaper paste to dry for about 24 to 48 hours. The drying times vary by brand and type of paste. Look on the packaging to determine the exact time for your specific paste.